Good afternoon. Now, the systems available are you have seen few days back one cyclonic storm formed over Bay of Bengal. Its name was Gulab, traveled west northwestward and ultimately reached to Gujarat area and was there in the form of Walmark low. Then it strengthened further and slowly from depression to deep depression and ultimately now it is in the form of uh, cyclonic storm and its current location is 23.2 degree north latitude, 61.9 degree east longitude, and it is moving west northwestward. Expected in next 12 hours it would be converted into severe cyclonic storm. So, and its name is Sahin. And then after forming severe cyclonic storm, it will move into Gulf of Oman, and movement would be west southwestward then, and slowly it will weaken. Naturally, as it is moving away from Indian subcontinent, Indian coastline, so slowly it is becoming insignificant. Second, Walmark low, and now it is in the form of low pressure area over southwest Bihar and adjacent area. And in and around Maharashtra state, no strong system is there, though westerly wind is blowing from Arabian Sea. So based on this, current 48 hours in our state, it would be mostly subdued rainfall activity except over Vidarbha. So forecast warning for Konkan Goa, current 48 hours, it will be fairly widespread rainfall activity, and 3rd October onward it will be widespread for a couple of days, and 2 and 3 October isolated heavy rain warning is there, so that is especially over Raigad, Ratnagiri districts at isolated area. For Madhya Maharashtra, current 48 hours, it is likely to be scattered light to moderate, isolated area moderate rain, mostly scattered, and then 3rd October onward, rainfall activity will increase. It will be fairly widespread. At isolated area, 3rd, 4th, 5th, there is isolated heavy rain warning, especially in Ghat areas of Nasik, Kolhapur, Pune, Satara districts. Marathwada also, current 48 hours, it would be scattered rain, followed by 3rd October onward, it would be fairly widespread rain. And for Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, up to 4th of October, there is likely chance of isolated thundery activity. For Konkan Goa, 2nd and 3rd October, there is chance of thundery activity. Coming to Vidarbha, Vidarbha today, chance is there for fairly widespread rain, and then 2nd October onward, rainfall activity will be light rain scattered area, and today and tomorrow 48 hours there is a chance of thundery activity. Now coming to local Pune city forecast, you are aware of that we are issuing this Pune city forecast with for 3 locations: Shivajinagar, Pashan and Loyegaon. From today, 3 more stations we are adding. One is Chinchwad, that is north of Pune, Chinchwad city area. Then Lavle, it is west of Pune city area. And third station is Magarpatta. Third location is Magarpatta in the eastern part of Pune city. So from today, in total, from 6 locations of Pune city, forecast would be available. So current 48 hours, it will be forenoon time partly cloudy condition, afternoon time cloud condition will increase, and expected it would be light rain. 3rd onward, 3rd, 4th, rainfall activity may be a bit more. Even isolated area moderate rain is also expected, and 3rd, 4th especially, and maybe afterwards also it will be generally cloudy condition, and otherwise a light rain will continue for couple of days. And Ghat areas, isolated heavy rain cannot be ruled out. Pune city adjacent Ghat areas. Now coming to withdrawal from country, not yet started. So the model NWP model consensus is showing that around 5th chances there for formation of anticyclone over northwest part of India. So around 6th of October, it is expected that withdrawal process may start from extreme northwest part of India. But for Maharashtra state, as indicated in ERF also, and previously also we have discussed that for our state, withdrawal will be delayed, and ERF is also suggesting that way. So that's all presently. Be safe, take your care, time to time check our website. Thank you.